Hi, I'm Janine from Royal Life Saving Society WA. I'm the Community Education Manager, and today we are hosting a professional development day for our various trainers who are First Aid, Aquatic, Resus and Heartbeat Club. So today we welcome 52 trainers to listen to 5 different guest speakers on topics that we hope they will take invaluable knowledge away with them to further share in their communities. And at the end of the session, we'll be presenting some awards to 4 of our trainers who have done great work in our community, and we'd like to acknowledge them for their service with Royal Life Saving Society.
Hello, my name is Dione Adams. I'm based in Geraldton. I train First Aid and Aquatic training. I've been doing it over the last 13 years, but as a trainer since 2012. I really enjoy it, teaching people how to look after others and themselves, and just meeting new people.
Hi, my name's Kelly. I'm from Geraldton. I've been training First Aid for about 10 years and a swimming instructor for over 30 years, so also involved in aquatic training as well. Why I enjoy training? I love meeting new people all the time, and I love it when people share their experiences with me, and at the end of the course that they enjoyed the course and all the information that they've learned as well.
Hi, I'm Amy Tyers. I train through my own business, which is called the Lions Share PTD. I generally work with people in the fitness industry because I've been in the fitness industry for about 15 years, and they all need requal pretty much every year. So I find I'm working with clients that know their stuff. They've been doing it for many, many years, so I can tailor it to them a little bit more. Obviously still covering off everything that needs to be done, but I find it's really rewarding to do, because a lot of people say that they get more out of having someone who's in their industry explain things to them.
Okay, my name's Ray Holt. Been a school teacher for over 50 years. That's enough information there. So I've been involved with training all my life. These days, of course, one has to keep up to date with training, so I do my First Aid, my bronze medallions and stuff like that through Royal Life, with the yachting Western Australia, and I'm constantly training students for sailing, sea kayaking, First Aid, recreational skippers tickets, etc.